I'm David Luther, Associate Professor in the Biology Department at George Mason University. Our project is part of a larger project of research called the Biological Dynamics of Forest Fragments Project that was started in 1979 by Thomas Lovejoy, former George Mason faculty member. They have 40 years of data about biodiversity in general, but they hadn't incorporated a lot of newer technology to really get a sense of the full community of species. We wanted to figure out, can we use these passive recording techniques to come up with an improved monitoring strategy for biodiversity in tropical forests? We ended up bringing down camera traps and acoustic recorders so that we could use those to almost spy on, in a sense, all the biodiversity and animals that are there. We had thousands of hours of recording, tens of thousands of images of animals or just leaf movement that we had to sort through to figure out what species we actually detected. And so AI comes in really handy at processing these large amounts of data. And then we brought in undergraduate researchers to help verify if AI was getting it correct or not. There's this biodiversity crisis, climate change, all sorts of things are happening in the world right now, right? And the vast majority of biodiversity is in tropical rainforests around the world. In some cases, we're still figuring out what species actually live there. And I think this can be actually a really great tool that we're building here and method for others to take and go on in new directions with and build off of to have a better sampling method for the future.